Hello, this is Heather Prince, the Root Master, talking today about you and your soul being one. And sometimes this might feel so real that you can nearly touch it, and at other times so far away you wonder if you were mistaken. Now, whether you're a newly awakened soul or you're a well-seasoned traveller, you may sense there is more available in the spiritual realm, more consistency, easier access, reliable connection, depth and vitality. Watching this video suggests you're being led and are now ready to understand a little bit more about your Akashic Records, because they are the vibrational archive for each soul and its journey as a human being. Every individual set of records has two components, fixed and evolving. The fixed part is your soul pattern. It holds your divine potential. The evolving segment includes a catalogue of lifetimes you've experienced on earth, through which you become aware of and live out your potential. These are stories of your soul's quest to know its own essential goodness. The Akasha is the soul level dimension of consciousness. Here we find the convergent zone of love, wisdom and power in perfect harmony, meeting the past, the present and the future in a sanctuary of sacred space, all accessible in the present moment. This sacred part of our being is available for guidance, encouragement and direction, empowering us to express our divine potential. In ancient times, some used the records as an oracle for divination. But times are changing, as is our relationship to the records in this new age, because it's characterized by personal authority, responsibility and spiritual maturity. And for the first time in history, secular people can make this conscious connection. Our predecessors didn't achieve this relationship, but we can, because we're the bridge generation. We need help make this major shift. And I am one of those people that have been trained in working with the Akashic Records. And there are some Akashic absolutes: judge not, fear not, and resist not. Because the records are an exceptional arena for exploring human challenges, for making changes, releasing limitations and embracing new possibilities. I like to think of the Akasha as the bridge of light from the soul to the source. And while accessing the Akasha is simple, certain specific practices can yield abundant blessings. So, am I a psychic? No. Am I an intuitive? Yes. And that's why I am also an affiliate in the Hunt Club, where we teach you how to reconnect to your intuition. So I've been using for decades a crystal to dowse with and charts to work with, to connect with your higher self wherever you live. And I've worked for people worldwide. And I always work with my clients by saying, you know, how do you want to live your life? You know, who do you want to interact with? What choices do you need to make to get to the life that you wish to live? And how do you approach your responsibilities? And if there's anything in the way of that, that can be cleared with an Akashic clearing, because you can transform any regular life into an extraordinary one by having a Akashic Records clearing, because it's like going to the dentist and having a checkup and giving everything a good clean and polish. So if that's of interest to you, then please email me at heather@heatherprince.co.uk, and I look forward to hearing from you. This is Heather Prince, the Root Master. Esto hay que tomarlo sin ningún apuro. Despacito.